These traditional sounds send out a clear message. Despite repeated attempts by terrorists to turn the NWFP into a battlefield, the people of the province still have their rich culture to celebrate. And it's here for people to come and see. The Sarhad Tourism Corporation organized an event in Islamabad to display the rich traditions of Pakistan's northern areas. The event has attracted a large number of people who regularly visited the NWFP's tourist sites and still have memories of more peaceful times.
It is so sad that people in Pakistan have misunderstood the culture of frontier and the people of the frontier. It is very different from what you've been showing on the news, people getting killed and whatnot. There's just beauty everywhere that you go, okay? So the comment that I want to make is, please, please come visit Peshawar, start going to Swat, start going to Kalam and all these places.
The captivated audience thoroughly enjoyed folk music and traditional dances at the show, which displayed the true colors of northern Pakistan. Storytellers and kawakhanas present at the event gave people a sneak peek into Peshawar's glorious past. The color and monochrome photo competition inside the Heritage Museum aptly depicted the scenic beauty of rural NWFP. People at the event believe that shows like this will project the true image of the province.
These sort of events obviously give us an opportunity to show the rest of the world that we are a connected nation, we are a united nation, and we are against extremism and terrorism.
The event's organizers believe that people in the NWFP still have plenty to show the rest of the world.
The impression outside is that all of frontier has gone to the dogs. It's not so. If is a specific area, the conditions are not good, which are rapidly improving. We have planned activities throughout the length and breadth of the province. Then we'll be showcasing the culture and handicrafts in Karachi, in Lahore, and hopefully we'll also be going internationally.
The NWFP has more than 90% of the country's tourist attractions. Unfortunately, the plague of terrorism and the ongoing war has badly affected the number of foreign and local visitors to the province. Many believe that it is high time that not only the federal government but other world bodies come forward and save the rich culture and heritage of the NWFP before it is lost to the world forever. Zahir Sherazi, Dawn News, Islamabad.